give you this film now. I don't come one watch him.
So what did make you watch him? Now that jim on top camera.
No, I like the way they do the camera. You see that place, that motor. You
do 360.
You do 360 view.
Okay, but as now that kind of picture something camera work. What's it they call it? 360.
360. Yeah, now 360.
See that now.
Camera 360. You there for phone now if you download them.
No, it's not the same thing as this one. They do. It's not the same thing. See as you just pan that motor like this. Haven't they? Normal cameraman go hold the camera, they run the motor.
Which kind of camera do you say should that? Is it a
5D Mark III.
5D Mark III.
But I use running. Can I take that shot?
Running. Which one be running?
Okay, get one gadget when they use.
Okay, what do they hold like this?
Hold like this. So you go carry and follow objects.
Wow.
Okay, so wait, you run, follow the. How you take?
Yes, I run, follow the car.
Oh.
You don't follow car?
Yes, ma'am.
For road? As the car
compound. As the car come, as they park.
I bet most see that car. Most see that car side again.
No shake.
That place bad.
In the something.
I like
the
the way they
image stabilizer.
Oh.
I bet most see that car old. Most see I take go because I like the way the thing just say. Bless you. I don't know whether you follow them for back from inside the compound. You go. I did not come down for motor. See.
No, this place is not fast.
So now you they run this one.
Panning is mad. As in is mad.
I mean they run out.
Is mad. Tell us, no, nice job. Where you do this thing?
Okay, we shoot that particular bit for Henry Jesha.
For Lagos here?
Osun State.
Osun State, okay.
Osun State.
Tell us, apart from cinematographist, what you they do, what thing you they do again?
No, they do cinematography.
Now the same thing now. At least you should be understand what I talk now.
I try.
Cinematographist, aquafa and feast. Now be the thing will be different. Should be cinema day inside. Cinemato, aqua name
Okay.
So tell us what thing again.
Okay, I they do cinematography, I they edit, I they also sing.
So you now you edit that film.
Now me edit them.
So which means after you shoot and finish, you sit down call, which means you know say if person shoot, edit himself. You go now you know what you know what you want to achieve. So you go fit follow and if like say just shoot finish, can you give another person?
So now only you they edit. How long did it take you normal to edit like this film now? How long it take you to edit them?
Normally now 1 month I dey take edit film. But situations fit demand I fit take more than 1 month.
Tell us about your journey into cinematography. How it take start for you?
Okay.
Now something where you planned before or now mistake something?
No be mistake, no be mistake. No, apparently, now acting I've been they do before. But I can't, as also they be now.
My brother, now hunger part, you don't add hunger.
When
so
you
now
hungry.
I go cataract. Okay, fully now. Apart from being cameraman, make I take him one step further, make I become cinematographer. When that one enter your head to do?
Okay, first of all, let me say that that period where I did try learn camera, one of the reasons we make me go learn camera was I did look what other people they do, and I mean the thing say you get how we do them better. That means both in short creation, how you that get how we take do them better. So that inspiration now it make me go learn camera.
They make me say there's something we can do something different.
And I okay now to add to this thing. If you say okay you want add to this cinematography and editing what you do, what will be the other thing where you go add again to learn?
Maybe sound.
Na sound.
Because if
sound, we never get them totally right. You know, why that time they watch them, they talk say why they gone, they sound. Normally, person supposed to don't treat all those sound.
Exactly.
Now some person job be that. But because me know if you do everything. So me don't shoot, me don't edit. Another person supposed to don't edit that sound.
And you know where Julius go tear. Now when of course you don't sabi cinematography, you don't sabi editing, you can't go sabi sound. At the same time, can't go do what do they call this thing? FX. I believe they call it effects.
VFX, yeah.
VFX.
Bam.
As you go mad.
But I don't know, we not ready for it be like person they talk, say whether we're ready for VFX, whether we're ready for those kind of film, whether we're ready for
we're not even getting money to do
whether we're ready
VFX.
for
We'll not get them.
suspense, those kind of films them. But like they do talk this one, you try for this one because you go hungry to watch.
You won't watch
oh,
them, yeah.
wow. This one, who
The whole,
they make Ike cry?
you understand?
What make a big man cry?
And you see, such people don't understand. I not gonna lie, give you. I clap hand for you for the work you do. I really clap hand for you. You know what I talk? You were doing into movie, put into movie. You go no say, you get how camera go take catch you. It not go show the story of what you want really give out.
Yes.
And you get how another cameraman go come,
catch you.
still catch you. It go show everything where your emotions and everything where you want put out.
So it come be like say every step of the way your mind must deal.
Your mind must be
Exactly, because na cinematography be that.
But
Even
how,
from the dialogue, you suppose know what shots you go take. Whether the person they vex, whether they happy, whether they moody, or whether you won't cry. Shots they where you need to take, we go blend.
we go
with those
blend the time. We go
reactions.
make them show where you come make if we say this actor man na bad actor.
Bam.
Meanwhile, to him na
work
just
now.
He's just
This work na emotional work because you get to be involved in the work.
In the work,
You come
I
like
agree.
say this kind cinematography, you not fit train yourself. It must be from inside. Desire.
If you train, no. If you train, because when you train, okay, even though the big cinematographers then they talk say after training, you need to also desire to be the best in the business. Me no go film school. That's the funny part. Me no go film school. All my learning are for
On the job.
YouTube.
Lie.
are you kidding me?
YouTube revision 3.
Yeah?
Big up.
Wait, so this one
Now
I
everything you learn na for YouTube. Now you learn
Nobody don't know me my first film, but everything where I learn are
Na
for
YouTube.
YouTube. Revision 3.
everything for YouTube.
Everything for
I
YouTube.
say now we go YouTube, go they find other things.
Una go YouTube, go they watch how to learn how to do makeup.
Eh, oh.
All these young ladies on Instagram. You got learning how to do makeup on. Anyway, make you watch behind the scene. Make you see how you take it wrong with the camera.
Yeah,
We want to nearly jam am. So that una go know say.
When I say motor, stop.
Una go know say
Pedestrian
no be small
crossing.
pikin. Is this man we wanna see here? More watch am when they come back.
Stop motor, pedestrian crossing.
Hey, go back.
Can't reshoot them.
Hi.
That give me 360.
You better tell us say that grave we wanna dig. What if you say something about the grave?
Okay, we dig the grave, but to cover the grave, they
Everything,
talk say,
all the graves.
Yes, all
Una
the
dig
graves.
am?
Yeah, we dig them. But then say before you cover them,
Na real grave, oh.
Na real grave. Before you cover them, you must do ritual. So then cut plantain stem, tie them with white cloths,
But then try for now.
then try.
To even allow you to even dig from. Yeah.
All those shots.
You know, free
How you
sales, not
take apart
everywhere.
from the running way you run, how you take the achieve all those? To me, they magical. All those kind of shots, how you
Na
take
the
the achieve
mind, na
am?
the mind.
No, and you know, say maybe how long it take you to shoot this?
7 days.
7 days.
Yes.
Now you dey reshoot things like this.
7 days.
Na lie.
Serious.
When are they film? From what time to what time?
Okay, you know, as we dey do am, okay, as I dey do am, I don't know about other people, is when I collect scripts, I go sit down with the scripts. I go write out wetin I think say I want see for the story.
What you want to make it play out
Yes.
for that side?
So I go meet the director, I go say, director, see wetin I dey see.
Yes.
So
How you see
good
am?
directors like Said Apampa, big up, he listened and said, okay, this scene, we analyze all the scene. This place, now so you say you want am abi. This one, okay, like for this whole shoot, we no been get drone. So we no been fit use drone. So other things we fit get, if you tell us,
Let me
okay,
say, I did use drone.
I use drone. That car, that chasing scene.
Hey, plus he use drone for one part.
Ronnie, I
They
use
can't do
am.
everything to
If you go
make
do
up
Wallahi,
for-
na Ronnie,
yeah.
I use take all
For
those.
express.
Wallahi,
All those up one.
na Ronnie, and there's we get car mounts what we use. We get car mount.
All right, you know they play. Oh. How you the first time when you handle camera to shoot? How
Okay,
they
the
say
first
you
time
shake
where-
small, your hand shake.
No, now for church, so I know you really shake. I've been done the anticipate. I've been done the think and sing.
They will go
Say
camera.
that.
Yes,
They will
hold
go.
this
I go show them. I go lie down like bash.
I thought they said no, director, I want this shot. You lie down. Oh,
Like
your
bash. Big bash. The cute one.
So I first I do. And what it come day nice about am is say the very first real job where I do as cameraman or cinematographer na Zebejiro job. That day
Zeb.
in cameraman no day.
See him?
So
Maybe that one girl go down hold on for somewhere now. One girl go down hold on for try say you must pay me my money before you leave.
so night in director Matthias Obayabo, I greet you.
Eh.
They can't
Come
say-
call me, say, yeah, come. So now, so I come. So as I come follow them shoot. When they finish shoot, then it be like them go look wetin I shoot. They come say, wetin this guy do with the same camera? It be like different
Just
from
say,
wetin-
is it just say, this same
Like this
camera?
camera we use. So now, so he can come, he say, come. It be like we go work on some other things. And that one was 1 year after I don't train. No be say after I train.
Oh, 1 year after you don't train. So you just see whole arms, it go come.
But the husband, they pay you now.
You don't they pay.
Yeah.
They pay. The million jobs never come.
God,
But
that's
we feel break record every time, anytime.
No,
soon.
but you must say Rome was not built
In a day, when they come out, go break. Rome was not built in a day. Today, back we cut out small. When they come back.
Yes.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.